There's a brand new niche exploding right now on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram, and it is honestly insane. These are construction videos built completely from scratch that is shown as ultra realistic time lapses, and the views are really massive. Take for instance this YouTube channel. They've been able to amass thousands of followers and millions of views just in a few months of posting. One of their video has 31 million views, as you can see here, and we have 1.4 million views, and the views are just getting massive. The most amazing thing is that this channel started less than 2 months ago, and they're currently monetized and making a whole lot of money creating easy videos like this. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create timeline construction videos like this for absolutely free using just free tools. Now, in order to get started, the very first step is using a chat box. And for this video, I'll be using ChatGPT. You can decide to use whatever chat box you want to use. They'll pretty much give you the same results. Now, after you've gotten a chat box, the next step is to come over to the description of this video or in the comment section and copy this architectural prompt that I am going to be putting in there. If you want this prompt sent directly to you, just type prompt in the comment section and I will send it directly to you. So what you're going to do is to come over to this part that has the master prompt, simplified and detailed. Go ahead to copy every detail in the master prompt. This is quite lengthy, so you're going to take your time to copy it through so you don't miss any step at all. Now, once you're done copying it, go back to ChatGPT and just paste it in the prompt section. Once you paste it and you hit on enter, the chat box is going to analyze the request that we gave to it and will tell you to start. So just go ahead to the prompt part and just click on start. Once you click on start and hit on enter, it is going to give you 10 different construction sites that you can work on. With this, it can generate a full construction pipeline for you. So just go with whichever one that works for you. I'm just going to click on number 1 and hit on enter. Now, once you do that, it is going to give you a step-by-step process on how to generate this construction videos. It's going to start with the photorealistic image prompt. You're going to have the images that starts from the raw land to the land clearing to the furniture structure base, basically everything. So it's going to generate everything. After giving you prompts for the images, it will start to give you prompts for the image to video animation prompt. You're going to have image to video prompts for all your images so that you can generate them seamlessly. Now, to generate our images, since we're going to be using free tools, go ahead to copy the first image and come over to Wix AI, paste it in the prompt section of Wix AI. Now, you would need to set your aspect ratio. You can decide to go for the 16:9 or the 9:16. 9:16 is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Facebook. But for this tutorial, I'll be using the 16:9. So once you ensure that that is set, also come over to this toggle bar, click on it, and ensure that this is set on Nano Banana Precise Reference. Once everything is set, go ahead and hit on enter, and you can see that it has generated our first image, which is the empty space that will be doing our construction on. So it generated 2 images. You can just pick whichever one that works for you and then go ahead to download them. So you also do the same thing for the second image prompts. Go ahead to copy the image, head over to Wix AI and paste it on the prompt section of Wix AI, and in a short while it will generate your second images for you. And in here we already have the construction worker tilling the ground and working on the empty land. So you're going to do the same thing for your third image, and for every images that you want to generate, simply copy and paste them on Google Wix AI until you have all your images ready. So after you're done generating each and every one of your images and downloading them, the next step is converting these images to videos in a very fast pace. And we're going to be using another free tool, and this free tool is Google Flow. A lot of you might be saying, but Google Flow is a paid tool. How do you hope to do this? Well, let me show you. Once you go ahead to click on create with Flow, you're going to see something like this, which is an update from Google Flow. So now you get free credits daily, and these free credits refreshes daily. You would be able to create as much videos as you want daily. I think the daily credit is 50 credits, and you can use this to at least create this time-lapse video and post on your channel, either on TikTok or on YouTube. And if you want a better experience, you can go for their paid plan, but their free credit is something that you can get started with. And if you're a new user, you get 100 credits, and this added with the 50 credits that you're giving daily, that's about 150 credits, which is a very big start to creating videos. So once you're in Flow, come over to this part that has new projects. Once you click on it, it is going to take you to an interface like this. Now you would want to change this from text to video to frames to video. Once you've clicked on that part that has frames to video, go ahead to upload the first image you generated, that one with the empty space. Now once that is uploaded, click on the part that needs you to upload the second frame and upload your second image, the one that has construction workers tilling the ground and starting work. Now once that is done, you go back to ChatGPT. Remember, ChatGPT generated an image to video prompt for us. So you come over to the animation prompt section and copy the video 1 prompt. Head back to Flow and paste it in there. Once you hit on generate, it is going to begin processing your video for you. And this is the result from our first video. You can see how it transitioned from the empty space to the construction workers working in there. This is really amazing. So I'm just going to come over to this part that has download to download this video. So you're going to do the same thing for your other images. Come over here to upload your second image, which is this one of the construction workers working on the site. We want it to transition beautifully into the next scene. Once that is uploaded, you go ahead to upload your third image. Once you've uploaded your third image as your last frame, come to the video to image section, the one that has video 2, image 2 to image 3. Go and copy the video prompt. Head over to Flow and post it on the prompt section. And once you hit on create, it is going to begin generating your videos, but this time transitioning from the last frame into the next one. Our second video is ready, and this is what it looks like. You can see how beautifully the second image transitioned into the third one. So you're going to do the same thing for each and every image that you generated using the process I just showed you, so that you can get a seamless video. So now after you're done downloading each video, the next step is to generate a background music for our video. To do this, we're going to be using Snow AI. Simply type Snow AI on your browser, click on this particular one, and it's going to take you to this interface where you need to register with your email so you have access to it. Now once you're in here, go back to that Google Doc. If you scroll down below, you're going to see a music generation prompt, which is this. Just go ahead to copy the whole prompt. Come over to this part that has create on Snow AI. Click on it, and then you're going to see the part that has your song description. This is where you paste in the songs that you would want to create. So you come over and paste in that prompt that you just copied from the Google Docs, and then you come over to this part and click on instrumentals, so that it generates just instrumentals for you and not with any voices. So once that is done, you go ahead and hit on create, and it's going to begin creating your free background music that you can use for this kind of video. Some music is done generating, and let's hear what it sounds like. It actually came in 2 different variations. Let's hear what both of them sounds like. I think this first one sounds amazing, and it works with the fast time-lapse video that we're hoping to get. Let's go ahead and listen to the second one. Second one is not so bad either, but I think I'm going to be going with the first. So come over to these 3 dots that is very close to the background sound that you just generated. Click on it, and then if you go below, you're going to see download. Ensure that you download as MP3 audio. Click on download anyway once you get here, and it is going to begin downloading your background music. So we're going to move into the next step, which is editing these videos and putting all our clips together. And I will be using Filmora for this. You can use CapCut or whatever editing tool you are familiar with. Over here at Filmora, we're going to come here to import all our clips. So once everything is in here, just go ahead to drag them to the timeline. Ensure you place them properly so that it transition beautifully. Now after placing them, the next step is to put in your background music. You would want to reduce the volume so it doesn't overshadow the work of your video. Now the next step is to go for transitions. Once you click on transitions, you're going to see a lot of transitions that you can work with. I'm going to be working with this Wrap Zoom 6. Just go ahead to place the transitions in places where you want your video to transition to another video so that it gives it a smooth effect. And once you've added everything you need to add your transitions, if you want to add your captions, you go ahead to add your captions. After you're done adding in everything, this is what you should have. Isn't this amazing? See how we've been able to make a complete video just from free tools. And this video is blowing up massively on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. You can use this to grow and monetize a faceless YouTube channel. So once you're done with everything, just go ahead to export your video and you can start uploading them. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section and if you're going to be trying this out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.